got hit with a product violation on Walmart. I'll show you how to fix it fast with this cleaning method. Now there's over 10 ways I personally know how to get product violations reinstated on Walmart. But in this video, I'm just going to be showing you the fastest way, and I call it the cleaning method, right? So the first thing you're going to do is find your listing that has an error, right? I don't care what the error is, IP infringement. This one says it's a children's product and I have to like submit special children's documents, which is complete nuts. So what you can do is then go to Amazon, okay? And then I'm just typing in generic cup, all right? And then what you're going to do is I'm just going to click on one of these that's a generic cup, and I like this little generic cup right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to clean the listing on Walmart utilizing this listing because it's literally a generic cup, okay? So now what we're going to do is click edit. And then you're going to change everything to pretty much the generic cup. So I'm going to change it to 100 pieces coffee cups. 100 pieces Chinese wedding coffee cups. And then I'm just going to change it to generic coffee cups. And then what you're going to do is change the key features. Generic coffee cups. And then we're going to scroll down. And then the brand name, we're going to change to generic. And then we're going to manage the images, and we're going to change all of the images. What you want to do is obviously save your old images if you don't have them saved, and save your old copywriter so you can change it back. But what we really want to do is this is just called cleaning the listing, right? And this is the fastest way to get your product reinstated. So you want to add all of the images from here. I'm just literally clicking it, right click, copy image address, throwing them all in here, and I'm just going to click submit and add all of that. I'm going to have at least 5 different images, so I need to have 4 to get to this next step. But I think you know what I'm showing you right now. Now you really want to clean the entire listing. So anything that shows, I'm even going to put the external product identifier as this one, just so if Walmart like double checks, they're like, oh shoot, like it's a cup. And then try to fill out the rest. This is like not filled out at all, but what you're going to do is like fill out the rest. So if it says like kids pencil case, you want to delete that and change it all to generic cup, right? This fortunately has like nothing in here, so I don't have to add anything. But if it didn't have, if it said like, if it said something like, you know, kids cup, kids pencil case, I would delete it and change it to generic cup or something like that. So make sure you fill it out and you clean the listing, and then you click submit. Once it's submitted, then what you're going to do is get that activity feed ID. So go to your activity feed, and then you're going to collect that activity feed ID. Let's go to it really quick. Let's just say this is the activity feed ID. So you just copy, it should show up right here. And then there's the activity feed ID. So then you're just going to make sure that it says it's approved. So right now it says it's submitted. We're waiting for it to be processed. Once it's processed, wait an hour, come back and see if it's cleaned. Check the listing. It shouldn't be, the status might automatically be published, but it might not. What we really want to check is to make sure the images and the title, the bullet points, the key features are updated to that new cleaned listing that we have right here. If it is updated, then what you're going to do is you're going to contact Walmart right away and be like, hey, my listing's literally a plastic cup, please reinstate it. And what you want to do is, I like to contact Walmart like 10 times in a row for different reasons. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to be like, hi, item ID. You're going to put your item ID, right? So here's item ID. Let me get the item ID. Here's the item ID. And then what we're going to do is create the case. Hi, item ID is removed. Please reinstate item ID. And you can put the SKU there if you want. And that's it. Keep it short and sweet. So you're going to do one of these, create one case, and then create a second case. You have to put the opening that's different. in order for Walmart not to catch you. So you can do howdy or dear Walmart, please re-ingest, and then you put the item ID in the SKU. And then you're going to make another one. Again, I like to do 5 to 10 cases right away. And then one of the employees at Walmart is going to look at your listing and be like, oh my gosh, it's a cup, and then reinstate it right away. Once it's completely reinstated, then you're going to slowly change it back, right? So you're going to come back to your listing and you're going to slowly change it back. First, just change back your title. See if that makes it deactivated. If it is, then one keyword in your title calls the deactivation, and you want to change it back right away and then figure out a new title. So you just implement everything back one by one by one. So the title first, ensure it's not taken down. Then do the images, ensure it's not taken down. Then put back the description, make sure it's not taken down, right? So it's like a step-by-step process, right? And then if the updates don't go through, so if you did do the updates and they didn't go through, like it says error or it says process, but it's not showing even after an hour, then the first thing you want to do before you ask for reinstatement is you want to contact Walmart and say, hey, dear Walmart, please push my feed ID through, and then give them the feed ID, give them the item ID, and give them the SKU. And then also, I sometimes like to manually say, oh, here's the, also, if you can manually update it, please do so. And then you're going to do like new title, new key features, and you're going to give it to them, right? And then, so you send this all to them. And again, I like to open up multiple cases, like 5 to 10 cases. Then once they change it, then you contact them. And again, this is the fastest way to get reinstated. Is it unethical? A bit. Does it work? Yes. Have our clients ever gotten suspended if they wanted their listing reinstated within the same day? No. Will Walmart catch you at some point? As of right now, maybe in 2 years, Walmart is just all over the place. So it's just free game right now. So right now you're not getting in trouble for changing your listing and changing it back to get reinstated. This is definitely a loophole, and I'm just explaining it to you because at least you have the options. There are more ethical ways and other ways to do it. I'm just telling you, this is the fastest way to get reinstated. Sometimes it takes 1 day to get your entire listing reinstated instead of it taking a week or 2 weeks because Walmart is extremely slow. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, getting your listings optimized and reinstated, advertising, and of course, increasing sales. The benefit of this service is that way you can focus on expanding your Walmart business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.